Welcome to our YouTube channel compilation. My name is Amit. Let's begin our discussion for today. अब हम एक्सरसाइज करेंगे बेटा 1.3. Question 1 says make correct statements by filling in the symbol subset or not a subset. जैसे फर्स्ट है 2 3 4, इसमें 2 है जी, 3 is there, 4 is there, तो A is a subset of B. अब इसमें है A B C, इसमें B C D, A तो है ही नहीं, तो this set is not a subset of this set. Third part, collection of all those X such that X is a student of class 11th of your school. और सेट जो दूसरा है वो है कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल दोज एक्स सच दैट स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ योर स्कूल. तो क्लास 11th के बच्चे उस स्कूल का पार्ट तो होंगे, तो यस दिस सेट स्टूडेंट क्लास 11th इज अ सबसेट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ योर स्कूल. फोर्थ पार्ट, collection of all those x such that x is a circle in a plane. और ये सब सबसेट है या नहीं, दूसरा सेट क्या है, collection of all those x such that x is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. नहीं बेटा, ये 1 से बड़ा भी हो सकते हैं सर्कल और छोटे भी हो सकते हैं और 1 वाले इक्वल भी हो सकते हैं, तो ये इज नॉट अ सबसेट. ऐसे बेटा ट्राइंगल है, collection of all those x such that x is a triangle in the plane. और दूसरा सेट है कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल दोज एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज अ रेक्टेंगल इन अ प्लेन. वी कैन नॉट से कि ये रेक्टेंगल और ट्राइंगल्स में तो कोई कॉम्बिनेशन ही नहीं बनता, कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं है, तो इट इज नॉट अ सबसेट. नेक्स्ट है आपका सिक्स्थ पार्ट, एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज एन इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल इन अ प्लेन. और ये है दूसरा, एक्स सच दैट एक्स इज अ ट्राइंगल इन सेम प्लेन. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल इज अ सबसेट, क्योंकि इक्विलेटर हो भी सकते हैं नहीं भी हो सकते, ये तो सारे के सारे हैं, ऑल ट्राइंगल्स आर देयर, तो यस इट इज अ सबसेट ऑफ दिस. लास्ट पार्ट, collection of all those x such that x is an even natural number. collection of all those x is an integer. yes, even numbers जो हैं natural numbers integers का सबसेट होते हैं, तो ये एक सबसेट हो गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 करेंगे, एग्जामिंग वेदर द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स आर ट्रू और फॉल्स. हमें अब ये चेक करना है बेटा कि ये स्टेटमेंट ट्रू है या फॉल्स है. ठीक है, तो जैसे फर्स्ट पार्ट है ए बी और इज नॉट अ सबसेट ऑफ बी सी ए और बी, ए इज देयर, बी इज देयर, तो ये तो सबसेट है, तो ये स्टेटमेंट्स होगी फॉल्स. फॉल्स, ये रॉन्ग है क्योंकि ये एक इसका सबसेट है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, ए एंड ई is a subset of collection of all those x such that x is a vowels in the alphabets, English alphabets. A E का जो है vowels ही हैं और ये वाला सेट जो है vowels है, तो इस सेट में आएंगे A E I O U, तो yes this is a subset, this is true statement. फिर हम बेटा थर्ड पार्ट कर रहे हैं 1 2 3 1 3 5, 1 is there, 3 is there, but 2 is not there, so this is not a subset. This is again, A is a subset of B, no, false, so this is nothing but a false statement. Next है A is a subset of B, it is not an element, this is again false. A belongs to, ये बोल सकते हो आप, बट ये नहीं बोल सकते, ये तो सबसेट है, दिस इज अ सबसेट. हम फिफ्थ पार्ट करने जा रहे हैं, A is A belongs to B. फिफ्थ पार्ट में दिस इज रॉन्ग. क्यों? फोर्थ पार्ट देखिए, दिस इज व्हाट, A is a subset of B. Now we do the fourth part. This says, fourth part says, this is a subset of this is a subset of this. That is true. Reason being, if A is a part of this, then it is a subset. Fifth part, but in fifth part, what is that? This is a element of ABC. That is wrong. ये तो इसका सबसेट है. एलिमेंट अगर होगा तो वो ये आएगा. So fifth part is false. So fifth part is false. Reason being, this is a subset, not a element. This is not an element, this is a subset. And for this, if you want to write, you will write A belongs to this, then it is element. Next is your sixth part, x such that x is an even natural number less than 6. So x is an even natural number even, that is what 2 and 4. Natural number 1 से start होते हैं. Such that second आपका है x such that x is a natural number which divides 36. So 36 के factors कौन कौन से होंगे बेटा? एक तो 1 के टेबल पे आएगा, it will come in a table of 2, then 3 के टेबल पे भी है, 4 के टेबल पे भी है, then 6 के टेबल पे है 6, then you will get the table of 9, then 12, and then we have 18 का टेबल और उसके बाद 36 का टेबल. सो इसमें एलिमेंट्स कौन कौन से होंगे बेटा? नाउ 2 is there and 4 is there. So therefore you can say that yes, it is a subset. So this statement is true. Now we do question number 3. A has element 1, 2, 3, 4 as curly bracket and then this. Now which of the following statements are incorrect and why? We have to tell correct or incorrect. We'll discuss correct wali statement also, incorrect wali also. Now A contains 3, 4. 3, 4, this is there. Now 3, 4 for the first part, you can say is a element. If it is a subset, तो ये इस तरह से आएगा बेटा. For subset we need 2 curly brackets for a element. ये तो इसका element है, तो subset नहीं है. First one is incorrect. This is incorrect because 3, 4 belongs to this. But if we want to say subset, then there should be curly brackets. For second part, you can clearly see that I discussed earlier, 3, 4 is an element of this. So second statement is correct. Similarly, third one is a subset. I discuss all these three together. Reason for this is what? They all are interlinked. Third one is correct statement. Reason being 3, 4 is an element. For a subset, we should have curly bracket. Definitely, this is a subset of A. So first three parts basically interlinked. Next, we do the fourth part. A belongs, 1 belongs to A. Definitely, this is correct because 1 is a element of A. Fifth part is incorrect. Reason for that, 1 is not a subset. It is not a subset. So 1 belongs to A and 1 is not a subset of A. If I want to say 1 is a subset of A, then I have to write this. Next I'll discuss sixth part. Sixth part में है बच्चों, this is your 1, 2, 5 is a subset of this. So 1, 2 and 5 elements are there. Yes, it is a correct statement. But if I say in seventh part, okay, 1, 2 and 5 is a element of A, then it is incorrect. Reason for that, if it is like, if it is like 1 belongs to A, that is correct. Or 2 belongs to A, 5 belongs to A, that is correct. Otherwise, this is incorrect. This is a subset. Next, we have seventh part. 1, 2, 3 is a subset of A. This is incorrect. Reason for that is 1 and 2 are elements of A, but 3 does not belongs to A, because 3, 4 belongs to A. Independently, 3 does not belongs to A, therefore this cannot be. 1, 2, 3 cannot be a subset of A. Next is ninth part. Empty set belongs to this. This is incorrect. Empty is a subset. Empty 5 does not belongs to A. This is not a element. Does not belongs to A. So 10th part says what? Empty set is a subset of this. This is correct. Empty set is a subset of every set. But in 11th part, 5 is a 5 in curly bracket is a subset of A. This is incorrect. Reason is 5 does not belongs to A and 5 is a subset of A. Therefore, this cannot be a subset of A. Next, we discuss fourth question. Write all subsets of the following set. For the first part, we have this. Number of subsets will be 2 raised to power n. Here n is the number of elements. For this particular case, n is nothing but 1. Therefore, number of subsets is equals to 2 raised to power 1 is 2. For this, you can say 1 is empty. Empty set is a subset of itself. Second one is every set is a subset of itself. So these two are subsets of this given set. For second part, A comma B is there. So first of all, empty set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. Then we have singleton. One element A is there. Singleton set B is there. So total possibility will be 2 raised by 2. 4 should be there. So therefore 1, 2, 3, 4. The number of subsets is equal to 4, that are these. Next is third part. Let us suppose A is a set containing element 1, 2, 3. So empty set is a subset of itself. Every set is a subset of itself. There are 3 elements, so 2 raised power 3, 8 subsets should be there. After this we have 1, we have 2, we have 3, then we have 1 and 2, then 1 and 3, after this 2 and 3, and then we have 1, 2, 3 already there. So we can say that number of subsets will be 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last part for this is what? Fourth part. This is given this. So empty set is there. So subset is no element is there. So only 2 raised per 0 should be what? 1. So only subset is this. Question number 5. How many elements has power set A if A is empty? तो सेट A जो है आपका empty है बेटा, that means में कोई element नहीं है, so no element is there. तो इसके सबसेट कितने होंगे? सिर्फ empty set ही होगा. और पावर सेट क्या होता है? पावर सेट कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द सबसेट ऑफ ए सेट. इसका एक ही सबसेट है, एक ही सेट है इंडिविजुअल में, तो इसके पावर सेट में सिर्फ और सिर्फ यही एक एम्प्टी सेट ही होगा. Let's do question number 6 now. We have to write the following as intervals. First part is what? This is your first part. Says -4 से लेके 6 तक. That means -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have 5 or 6. इसको हमने -4 is not included, so we have open bracket. 6 is included, so we have close bracket. So notation will be -4 to 6, -4 not included, 6 is included. You can represent this way: circle on -4, dot on 6, or you can say, you can use this bracket and this bracket. This is for close interval and this is for open interval. But in this case, -4 like this and 6 is like this, semi open or semi closed, one and the same thing. Similarly, second part, -12 to -10. So we will write this. So we have -10, -11, -12, somewhere here 0 is there, going like that. So we have to use, both are open, so that means -12 is not included, -10 is not included, and we can say that -12 to -10, you can represent this. Third part is 0 to 7, 0 included, -7 is not. So what we do is we draw a line somewhere here 0, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then we have 7. So we have 0 included and 7 not included. So we can represent this way. So 0 to 7, 0 included, 7 not included. Then we do the fourth part, 3 to 4 both included. 3 to 4, we draw a line. It will be somewhere here 0, then 1, 2, 3, and then we have 4. Now in this case, 3 and 4 both included. So we can represent this as this way, 3 to 4 both included. Now we do question number 7th. We have to write in set builder form. We have to write in set builder form. This is what first part will be -3 to 0. Both are open, so we can say that set A collection of all those x such that x belongs to integers such that x is ranges from -3 to 0, both not included, open both side. Part 2, 6 and 12 both inclusive, दोनों को include करना, ये closed interval है, ये open interval है. So we can say set B collection of all those x such that x belongs to integers such that 6 less than equals to x less than equals to 12. Then we have third part, 6 to 12, 6 open, 12 included. We write in set builder form. Let us suppose set C collection of all those x such that x belongs to integers such that x is ranging between 6 to 12, 6 open not included, 12 included. And fourth part in this is -23 to 5, 5 open, 23 -23 is not included. For this, let us suppose D is a set collection of all those x such that x belongs to integers such that -23 less than equals to x less than 5. Now question number 8 we will discuss. What universal set would you propose for each of the following? First option है the set of right angle triangles. Second option है the set of isosceles triangles. So देखो बेटा ये set जो है आपका triangles का है, right angle और isosceles. तो इसके लिए universal set क्या होगा? all possible triangles is the universal set for the given two informations. Next we will discuss question number 9. Given the set A 1 3 5, set B 2 4 6 and set C 0 2 4 6 8, which of the following is considered as a universal set? देखो बेटा, A union B union C, if we consider the 1 3 5, then we have 2 4 6, then we have 0 2 already there, 4 already there, 6 already there, 8. So basically we need a set containing 0. If I take in that order, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 8. So any set having these elements is called a universal set. First option is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, but 8 is not there. So first option reject. Second empty set, that is not there. Third option 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, everything is there. So this is my answer. Answer is what? C. I need not to check this, but if you want to, 0 वहां नहीं है तो ये भी नहीं option है. So this is what we can say that your exercise 1.3 completed. Friends, that's all for today. If you want PDF lectures and practice sets related to this topic, please visit our website with the link given in the description. And for more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel.